Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bagels in your air fryer. First, activate your yeast by combining 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Next, add 3 cups of bread flour and 1 teaspoon of salt, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead this dough for 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. This foundational step is crucial for perfect bagel texture. Now let's shape those bagels. Divide your dough into 8 equal pieces, aiming for about 3 ounces each. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center, gently stretching it to create the classic bagel shape. Next, prepare a pot of boiling water with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Carefully drop in your shaped bagels, boiling them for 30 seconds on each side. This quick boil gives them their signature chewy crust.
Hey everyone, quick break from our bagel adventure. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. And on another note, who wants a stinky car after making delicious bagels? Life's too short for that. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh and clean. You can find the link for that, plus other awesome deals, right in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
After boiling, it's time for toppings and the air fryer. First, brush each bagel with an egg wash. This helps them achieve a beautiful golden brown color and helps toppings stick. Now, sprinkle on your favorite toppings. Think sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or a generous amount of everything bagel seasoning. Finally, place them in your air fryer basket, ensuring they aren't overcrowded. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping them halfway through for even cooking. Your air-fried bagels are almost ready. Once they've finished cooking, they should have a beautiful golden brown crust and feel firm to the touch. Carefully remove them from the air fryer and transfer them to a wire rack. It's important to let them cool for at least 15 minutes. This allows the internal structure to set properly. Then, slice them open and slather on your favorite cream cheese or spread. Enjoy the incredible taste of your homemade, perfectly chewy bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.